Greetings everyone, welcome to the MCPHONEY channel where we unbox, test and of course review tech. And today we are checking out the Sony WH-CH720 noise cancelling wireless headphones. Let's be honest, the world of headphones is a bit like the world of coffee. You can grab a tasty beverage that does the job, or you can spend a small fortune on a minute, ethically sourced bean that has been perfectly serenaded by a barrister with a super large moustache. But what if you want premium sound and comfortable headphones without the ghastly price tag? Well, enter the Sony WH-CH720N. These headphones are Sony's attempt to bottle some of that premium magic and then offer it to everyone no matter their budget. The unboxing experience is, shall we say, okay, so don't expect that super luxurious outer packaging feel. Inside you get the headphones themselves, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm headphone cable, and finally some user manuals and warranty forms. Now the first thing you may notice is that you don't exactly get a carry case with these, not even one of those soft pouches. Of course this isn't an essential piece of equipment for everyone, but it does feel like being given a superhero outfit without the mask, especially considering that these are designed for commuting and travel. So if you are going to be placing these in your rucksack or bag, just be careful they don't get crushed by your water bottle. Taking a look at these headphones though, I will admit the comfort is its secret weapon, as these headphones are astonishingly lightweight. At just 192 grams, you will genuinely forget that you're wearing them. It's almost like having a pair of clouds gently hugging your ears. The clamping force feels secure on your head without trying to crush your skull. The ear pads are soft and plush too, and even after several hours of continuous listening, they remain comfortable. When it comes to the build quality, unfortunately we do meet the elephant in the room, as these headphones are made pretty much entirely of plastic. You won't pick them up and marvel at the cold touch of brushed aluminium or the supple feel of genuine leather. However though, having said that, the plastic build is kind of nice. Think of it of a reliable and affordable family car. Yes, it's not going to turn heads or win any design awards, but it's trustworthy enough to get the job done. The finish is a nice matte texture that resists fingerprints, with the overall impression of functionality over flair. I am sorry to report though that unfortunately they don't fold up. The ear cups do swivel to lie flat, which helps a bit, but they still have a large footprint if they were to be placed in a bag. Having a quick look at the controls, Sony has opted for physical buttons over the touch controls usually found on their more expensive models. Personally, I think the physical buttons are better because you don't end up skipping a song whilst you're trying to pause it. The buttons themselves are located on the right ear cup, and you get a volume up and down, a play, pause and skip button, and a dedicated button to cycle through the noise cancelling and ambient sound modes. But now let's talk features, or should I say, allow the WH-CH720N headphones to show off. Because they are actually packed with the same tech that's usually found in Sony's more expensive family. And the main one is no doubt the active noise cancellation. For those of you unsure about what ANC actually does, well, it uses microphones to listen to the noise around you and then creates an opposite sound wave to cancel it out, providing an adequate silence from the outside world around you. But what's even better with this ANC on the CH720N is that it's powered by the same V1 processor found in the flagship Sony XM5s, just with fewer microphones. But its performance is still good. In fact, for the price, it's very good. It will happily gobble up the low frequency hums and rumbles of everyday daily life, the drone of a train, the distant rumble of traffic. They are all significantly reduced. But how about the all-important battery life? Well, Sony claims up to 35 hours of playback with ANC turned on and a whopping 50 hours with it turned off. And I can tell you that these numbers are no exaggeration, because the battery life on the CH720N is exceptionally good. It can party all night and then still company to work on the next day. It just seems to keep going. For most people, this means less time charging and more time listening. Plus, if you do get caught short, a quick 3-minute charge will give you up to 60 minutes of playback. So technically, thanks to its genuinely impressive performance, you can pretty much say goodbye to any anxiety about the battery. We're now going to gloss over the connectivity options because it's only going to be used either wired with the 3.5mm headphone jack or wireless with its solid Bluetooth 5.2 connection. I should point out though that the CH720N headphones also has multi-point connectivity, so you can connect to 2 devices at the same time, which although I hardly use this feature myself yet, I still feel it's a high quality of life option that can make a huge difference for people who do use multiple devices at the same time. Now, however, it's time to talk about the main event, which is of course the sound quality. Before we go into this, however, I will just point out I'm no expert when it comes to sound quality. I just like headphones that are comfortable and I can hear pretty much crisp sound. But you can definitely hear the difference when using these headphones if you have been using a more low budget pair like myself in the past. The bass lines feel rich and full, for example, and drums have a satisfying thud. And then when it comes to vocals or voices, well, they are warm and clear. I do sometimes think the bass can be a little overpowering, but that could be just me and my old age. But overall for sound, I'm positive you won't be disappointed with the silky smooth performance that these offer you straight out the box. It should be noted, however, if you are wanting to adjust the thumping sounds that your ear picks up, there is also the Sony companion app that works along these headphones. Here you have access to a 5-band equalizer, a digital sound enhancement engine, and of course, who could forget the 360 degrees reality audio, which is Sony's immersive audio format, if you have content that works with it, that is. And finally, we come to the inbuilt microphone performance. And all I can say is that, well, it'll do. It's not amazing, but also not amazingly bad either. In a quiet environment, it's great like any microphone would be. But if you are standing in between bustling traffic, then the person you're talking to on the other end of the line will know exactly what kind of environment you are in. And thus we have come to the end of our review, and this means it's time for a verdict. Are the Sony WH-CH720N headphones worth your hard-earned cash? Well, I think the answer is an obvious yes. For the price you can pick up these headphones for, they are a bargain, especially if you can grab them in a sale. Yes, Sony may have cut corners on the build quality and materials, and of course the included accessories, no carry case, but they've delivered where it really counts for the average user: comfort, battery life, and core features. The comfort is genuinely first class, the battery life holds up to its claims, and the inclusion of multi-point connectivity is a huge bonus. One thing I will ask is, why is the charging cable so small? I mean, it really is micro. But overall, in my opinion, these headphones are the ultimate smart casual of the headphone world. They're not black tie premium, but they're not low budget sweatpants. They fit perfectly for almost every daily occasion, they perform strong with reliability, and they do all this whilst looking good and without destroying your savings account. So if you are thinking of a pair of feature-packed and comfortable noise-cancelling headphones, then these will tick the many boxes you require in terms of performance, sound quality, and brand recognition. And this is all done and featured at an amazing price point. And there we go, that was my review for the Sony WH-CH720N ANC wireless headphones. So I hope this video has been of some use to you. However, before I go, if you've got any questions or thoughts or even comments that you'd like to tell me about these headphones, then please do write them down in the comment section below. Not forgetting, if you enjoyed this video and you like tech and gadgets, then please show your support to the channel by smashing that like button and of course subscribing to the channel as well. But until next time, thank you all for watching. Please do stay safe out there, and I'll see you all at some point very soon. Thank you.